Welcome to Silverado Senior Living, located here in beautiful Thousand Oaks, California. This building is a two-story wood frame Type 5 construction building that's perched on top of a beautiful hillside. It consists of 47 residential units and 82 beds. The design of the building is centered around a central courtyard, and it is set in a Spanish colonial architectural style. Without further ado, let's go have a look.
I am Lauren Shook, President, CEO, co-founder of Silverado. A well-designed building architecturally is serving the memory impaired to enable them to have a better quality of life. And we're all about, at Silverado, giving the best quality of life possible to the residents, the families, and in fact to our associates as well. But to our residents and families, give them a quality of life back that they have lost, and so many of them think that it will never reoccur again. So when the building is designed correctly, as it is with Doug and Doug Pancake's group, what happens there is that it becomes a prosthetic device for someone who has memory impairing disease. The building is designed to support, and in supporting them, it allows them to find their way around the building, find their own room without help, so that they are feeling independent, so that they have access to outside spaces that are interesting to them and have things that would draw them out. We know the value of outdoor light for people with memory impairing disease is incredible. The building itself is enabling the resident to have freedom and choice in their life and to experience life. And you know, that may sound easy, but it's not easy to produce. If you're going to design a building to serve the memory impaired, I don't think you can do any better than tapping Doug Pancake and Pancake Architects. There's a handful of people in the country who have a passion for memory impaired, and they're few and far between. Doug is leading that pack. And so Doug is an absolute superb architect and has a passion and an interest and a knowledge. And now, he's had so many years of experience with different designs, different buildings, different places, different programs, that he brings together a wealth of knowledge that is exceptional.